B-21 rolling clear on the left, proceeding to runway.
The B-21 Raider, built in America, defending freedom worldwide.
Smooth sailing up here.
Today, we deliver to America the most advanced bomber ever built.
America's newest stealth bomber joins the nation's defense.
Welcome to where America builds its most advanced stealth bomber.
Lot 7 Alpha Bravo, ready for layup.
Carbon fiber creep rig stays frozen until the moment it's needed.
Precision cutting shapes every ply to sub-millimeter accuracy. Every composite ply is tracked from freezer to final cure.
Kit 4 Lima, ready for transport to layup Bay 7.
Clean room protocols ensure zero contamination in every composite part. Custom resin formulations bond the bomber's composite structure together.
Fiber angle verified within spec. Behavior.
Every material lot is inspected before entering production.
Precision fiber placement heads require meticulous maintenance between runs.
Complete material traceability ensures every fiber's origin is documented.
Automated fiber placement builds the bomber's massive wing skins.
Eight fiber toes lay simultaneously with thousandth-inch precision.
Ply 23 positioned, checking alignment.
Skilled technicians hand-lay complex areas automated systems cannot reach.
Orientation confirmed, engaging ply.
Laser templates guide perfect ply placement on complex contours. Regular debulk cycles remove trapped air from between plies.
Ply 34 orientation verified within tolerance.
Every ply angle is measured to ensure structural integrity. Honeycomb core delivers strength at a fraction of solid weight.
Final inspection ensures the layup is perfect before curing.
Zone 47 clear, proceeding to zone 48.
The bomber's massive wing skins cure in one of America's largest autoclaves.
Port 15 connected and verified.
Dozens of sensors monitor the cure cycle across the entire surface. The 20-ton door seals, preparing for cure cycle initiation.
Engineers monitor every parameter throughout the 8-hour cure cycle.
Zone 7, approaching target temperature.
Temperature ramps precisely through multiple stages over 8 hours. Controlled cooldown prevents thermal shock to the cured composite.
The autoclave opens to reveal the bomber's cured wing skin.
Looking good in there.
Clear to proceed, 5 feet per minute.
The cured wing skin emerges ready for trimming and inspection. 5-axis routers trim composite parts to thousandth-inch tolerances.
Titanium bulkheads are machined from solid billets for maximum strength.
Edge sealing prevents moisture from entering the composite structure. Thousands of precisely located holes prepare parts for assembly. Surface preparation ensures perfect adhesion for secondary bonding. Coordinate measuring machines verify dimensions against digital models. Permanent markings ensure traceability for the bomber's entire service life. Ultrasonic scanning reveals internal defects invisible to the eye. X-ray CT reveals the complete internal structure in 3 dimensions.
Thermal imaging detects defects by analyzing heat flow patterns.
Shearography rapidly inspects large areas for hidden disbonds.
Hole 47, no indication.
Eddy current testing detects cracks invisible to the eye.
Fluorescent penetrant makes surface cracks glow under ultraviolet light.
Noted indications at grid reference B4. Documenting for review.
Robotic vision systems inspect surfaces with superhuman precision.
The algorithm flagged this coding anomaly right here.
Confirmed. We should initiate a manual review.
Integrated analysis combines all inspection data for complete assessment.
The center fuselage forms the bomber's structural backbone. Panel 47 Alpha approaching final position. Weapons bay frames must withstand extreme combat loads.
The landing gear bay supports the bomber's full weight on touchdown.
Zero-leak fuel tank sealing protects the bomber's internal structure.
Every structural fastener is installed to exact torque specifications.
Fastener 247, 850 inch-pounds verified.
Serpentine inlet ducts hide the engines from enemy radar. Thousands of routing provisions organize the bomber's complex systems.
Clear on the right. Proceed at half speed.
Massive fuselage sections float on air bearings between assembly bays. The wing box spans over 130 feet of precision structure.
Verification complete. RCS measurements confirmed within the classified tolerance. The geometry is perfect.
Check the alignment tolerance again. We need absolute precision.
Actuator engagement confirmed. Running the first cycle test.
The calibration is critical here. Ensure the quantity probes are reading accurately before we seal.
Verified. The fuel quantity metrics are spot on.
Surface prep verified. Type 3 adhesive applied. Bond line thickness is nominal. Cure cycle set for 4 hours at 250.
Joint 4. All fasteners verified to specification.
Zone W47 routing confirmed. Check separation.
EMI separation looks good. Proceed with clamping.
Wing assembly B-21-004 verified complete, releasing to coating.
Stealth coatings required pristine surface preparation for proper adhesion.
Section 3, coating thickness confirmed at 2.15 millimeters.
Roger that. Nominal parameters achieved. Continue sequence.
Verification complete. 100% edge coverage confirmed.
Conductivity confirmed. Surface profile is within tolerance. Logging the results now.
The color uniformity is excellent. The 3D6118 gray matches the federal standard exactly, and the thickness requirements are met.
We are initiating the 8-hour cure cycle.
Temperature stable at 150 degrees. Humidity below target.
Cycle complete and parameters verified.
Grid 47, all readings within spec.
Look at the return spike at 45 degrees. It's negligible.
The signature remains within acceptable parameters across the band. Verified.
Pratt & Whitney engines arrive ready for integration.
Clear ahead, proceeding to Bay 12.
2 inches aft. Hold. Steady approach.
Mount 3, 10 teller, 450 foot-pounds, verified.
Alignment is within tolerance. Seal is good. Leak test passed. Roger that. Proceeding with hardware lock.
The geometry is optimized for stealth, but the alignment has to be precise for the IR signature.
Understood. Let's check the specifications again.
Fuel line secured to specification.
Electrical harness continuity check passed.
Hydraulic valve adjustment complete.
Engine installation verified. Released for ground test.
The cockpit module protects the crew at extreme altitudes.
Verified J201 connection secure.
Secured. Moving to J202.
Alignment check screen.
Initiator circuit resistance verified nominal.
We need to adjust the position slightly to meet the ergonomic specs. Roger that.
Yep.
I'll make the micro adjustment now.
Optical assessment complete. The transparency exhibits zero distortion, meeting all stealth requirements.
Pressure gauge reads nominal. System integration verified.
Confirmed. Anti-G coupling secure.
Display 1, operational.
Display 2 operational.
Avionics bays provide shielded environments for sensitive electronics. Avionics bays provide shielded environments for sensitive electronics. Installation confirmed. Power checks passed. The unit is secure. All channels verified and isolated. Redundancy confirmed. Verifying installation of ComSec Device 1, part number 456.
Confirmed, secure, and logged.
Micro adjustments complete. Tolerances are nominal.
Data confirms stable alignment. Proceeding to calibration hold.
Antenna secured. Signal strength optimal.
EW suite secured.
Connections aligned. TPI complete.
Accountability confirmed. Log updated.
Data bus addressing confirmed. All links are live and secure.
Bus 1 active. Bus 2 active. All nodes responding.
Weapons bay doors open in fractions of a second for rapid release.
Torque on spec.
Harness clear.
Verification complete. Proceed with integration.
Arm system verification successful. Ejector rack 1 nominal.
Alignment verified.
Confirmed. All systems nominal.
Array is seated and secured.
Alignment checks passed on the tablet. We are good to proceed.
Threat sector confirmation. Defensive systems, all aspect coverage. Verification complete.
Wiring confirmation complete. Pinout is good.
Copy that. Mating the connector.
Weapons Bay 1, door cycle complete. Launcher rotation verified. All major sections stage in the final assembly bay for mating.
3 millimeters aft. 2, 1. 8-hold Pachinus position locked.
Verification complete. All fasteners accounted for. Seal integrity confirmed. Electrical bus 7 connected and verified.
Main gear secured. Pins installed and verified. Joint 7 coating complete subfuller. Continuity verified.
Total weight within limits. CG at 24.7% MAC.
B-21 serial number 004 through any assembly complete.
Main bus A online. Main bus B online. All buses nominal.
First power on brings the complete aircraft to life.
System 1 at 3,000 PSI, holding steady.
Full left elevon commanded to surface responding correctly.
Tank 3D quantity calibrated trade-in. All tanks verified.
Mission computer initialized in ZA. All sensors reporting nominal.
Fire crew in position. Aircraft secure for engine run.
N1 rising, N2 stabilizing, engine start complete, parameters nominal. Military power, afterburner engaged, maximum thrust achieved.
First flight briefing covers every detail for the historic mission.
B-21 rolling clear on the left, proceeding to runway.
Access panel 42 secure.
Checked. Pitot covers confirmed removed.
Control surfaces free and clear. Canopy locked. Pilot, radio check.
Loud and clear.
Rotate. Positive rate. Gear up. B-21 is airborne. Touchdown. First flight complete.
Today, we deliver to America the most advanced bomber ever built.
America's newest stealth bomber joins the nation's defense.
That's how America builds the world's most advanced stealth bomber.